Your cover design is the first thing that the customer will see from all your work. So the cover design is the most important step in your work. And the customer will see your cover for less than 1 second. So it should catch the customer's eyes in that short period of time. So you should make a hook in that cover. It should be different and catchy. So as you can see, if I wrote on Amazon Math Notebook and scroll down, like I want to buy this thing, so what will catch my eye is this one. And as you can see, it has a very low ranking, so it's the best between all of these four. So this one is 98, 23, 4000 and 200. So this one is the best between all these three, and yeah, it makes sense. It has the best cover design. So the cover design is the first thing that the customer will see from all your work. The customer will not see your research for a niche. The customer will not see how to make your interior. No, the customer will see first your cover design. If he didn't like it, he will not read your title. The customer will not see your interior from inside. The customer will not read your description or anything. So the first thing is your cover design. And one of the most important thing and elements in the cover designs is the colors. So many people make a very big, huge mistakes in colors. So the colors must match in your cover design. So for example, this one, black with red, fine. Blue with black, fine. So you can't, for example, put here pink and red. It will not match. So how can you know? You choose a color, yellow, blue, anything. How can you know? So one of the very easy way to know that is Canva. It has color wheel completely for free, and it can tell you the matches between colors. So you choose any color from this wheel, like primary or any other colors. So then it will tell you. For example, I choose this one, the green, right here, and it will tell me the opposite color, which is kind of pinky or something like that. So yeah, very easy, free, so use it. And then you copy this code to your web designer, whether it was Photoshop, Photopea, Graphic Designer, Canva, anyone, free or paid. Just copy this code and paste it to your background or text or any element in your cover design. So this is the easiest way. Use this color wheel completely for free, and I'm going to show you in real example how to use it. So I used this tool to create this book cover. So as you can see, when you choose a niche, go and check the other covers in that niche and find out if there is any common theme between them, or you can be different. So I like the blue color in Math Notebook. So what I'm going to use the color wheel from Canva, and I'm going to choose the light blue. So something like this. I think this one is very good. So here we have the code for the light blue, and here the code for the red, or kind of red. Okay, so then I will go to Graphic Designer. It's free. It has a pro version, but the free is very enough for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text first. So let's type here the title, which is Math Note Book, and I will type something here like details for the book. It will be like 120 pages, and for example it's 8.5 by 11 inches. And for example, let's type here math paper, because it contains math papers. Okay, math paper. Then I will zoom in here, of course, this is the title, so it should be big to catch the customer eye, because if it was small, and maybe many customers are using their phones to shop from Amazon, so it will be very small in their phone, so it should be big here. So let's increase the size, and first let's put it here like this, and increase the size of the font from here. And before that, we should choose a better font. I think like this one is better, so it should be like bold like this, and increase the size like this. So I think this is really nice. Yeah, agree or not? Agree. And let's put this completely in the middle like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add a vector here, an element or a couple of elements from vector or Victeezy, sorry. So you just go to victeezy.com. It's a free web vectors and photos. You can find many of them here, and type here the thing that you are looking for. So let's type math, and you will find many vectors here. So for example, this one, it looks very good, but it's pro version, so pro download, so it's not for free. So I'm going to filter here to free license, as you can see. So it will show only the free license vectors, and scroll down. This one look really nice actually, and maybe we'll find another one. Okay, let's see. So this one, for example, this one looks really nice, and then you click free download. So I have downloaded it already, and after downloading you should extract from the file and you'll get it. Then let's go here and go to the file that I have downloaded. So it's this file, sorry, and I will drag the vector version right here in my page like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the rectangle here, because there's no need to get it, and put it right in the middle. Then I'm going to change the color of this symbols to the color that I got from color wheel from Canva. So I'm going to ungroup these elements first. So select here, and you can type this button here, ungroup items, or shift plus control plus G. Then it will be ungrouped. So to change the color, you can't change the color if they are grouped in Graphic Designer. And let's choose the color from color wheel. So the blue or the light blue will be in my background, so the elements should be in this red color. So just click it and it's copied. Then I will go here and paste it, enter. So it should be like this, as you can see. It looks really nice. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. So press Alt and drag the symbols like this, and change the color to black, for example. So as you can see, it looks very nice like this, right? And I'm going to put it behind the other elements. So you can press this button here until it becomes behind all the other elements. And I'm going to adjust it like this. Yes, it looks way better like this. And then I will select them all and group them, so I can move them all together once. So they should be here in the middle. So after that, let me just drag this text here. I will add the background, so add the rectangle from here, from the top angle to the bottom angle, and the color is from wheel, in the color wheel. Just copy the code and select the color here and paste it right here, and boom, it's the light blue that we want. Then we will put it, because it's a background, it should be in the end, layer, so it should be like this. Then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to adjust everything to be in the middle. Sorry, so this is in the middle, this is in the middle, and this is in the middle, like this. And then I should add a graph in the, like a pattern in the background, so like this. So as you can see, here is lines, the graph's lines on many of them. So from Victizi or any free source, download it and just drag it here on Gravit Designer. So I will drag it here like this, and press shift like this, and it should be like this. Then I'll put it behind all elements except the background, so it should be here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the opacity, so it should be something like this. Yeah, this is look really nice. And further to do to look it more professional, I will add a box here. So let me zoom it like this, and I'm going to add like this. Then I will add borders, so I will let it as 2, and I will fill it from the code here, the same code, because I want it blue. And of course I will drag it so it can be here like this, between the graphs, or after the graphs and the background, so it should be like this. So this cover design is really good. You can even make it better. For example, you add a rectangle here, so as you can see here, many of them has a little rectangle. It's like the traditional notebooks, so even this one has it, so it looks better. Just select everything here and move it a little bit here like this, like this. Then add the rectangle here like this, and it should be black, of course. So this look even better and better. So as you can see, you can improve and spend more time on your cover design so it look better and better. So as you can see, this one is really catchy, and I can improve it even more and more. So I can select these elements right here and okay, like this. I think this is better. Then when you finish, you should zoom out like this, and imagine that you are a customer browsing in the Amazon app. Will this catch your eye? I will say yes, and you can improve it more and more, but my focus was in this video in the colors and how to use color wheel from Canva, which is free, as I told you many times, to match your colors in your cover design. So this was a short tutorial in using colors in your cover design. I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.